Hey everybody, Song-arrhea here, obviously, right? I decided to do a comparison video for all of these random keyboards. I've been using quite a few. The Royal Clutch RK84 was what I used to use. It was pretty good for a while, but it's got its issues. It's not really a product review, it's more of a sound comparison, but I do want to say some things about the other keyboard that I replaced it with. So I use two computers, one for work, one for music and stuff. And I like to have a very minimal desk setup. And this has, Bluetooth and you can go wired or wireless. Wow, focus. Alright, and we're back. Anyway, switch is on the bottom. Kind of annoying. Also covered my face there, so the audio is shit. But that's okay, because that's not what we're recording today. We're recording keyboards, dude. Yeah, brother. And so this is my new one, and I hit the mic. This is the Nuphy Halo96. Almost forgot what it was called. Ignore all the RGB. I like to just keep it simple, but I've been unplugging it and changing settings. Anyways, that's not important. What we really want to get down to is sound, and I'll tell you guys what I think about the keyboard in general. Also, this isn't a sponsored thing or anything like that, but I do have an affiliate link, and it's going to be in the description below. So if you like the keyboard or considering buying one, whether it be the 96, they have a smaller one too. Actually, they have quite a few, and they have thinner versions as well. This is more of a full size. This thing's pretty hefty. I think it's like a few pounds. I don't know, but this ain't a traveling keyboard. But I was talking about stuff earlier. Here's my switches. I don't have to pick up the keyboard just to change shit. And it's kind of fun. I like it. Oh, let's get into it then, right? So to explain how I'm doing this test, right? Like, I don't know, I fidget a lot, so just putting my fingers on the keys and like pretending to type or whatever, or moving my fingers around. For me, it's important to not have any sound, especially if I'm streaming. Like right now, I'm rubbing the keys and you can't even tell, which is kind of cool. And also, like, let's say I'm talking and I just want to start typing while I'm streaming, right? It might happen. Maybe you hear it, maybe you don't. Maybe you don't care. Usually there's audio going on when I'm doing my shit, but yeah. So that's that's the light tapping. And then I do the regular typing test as well. And then, the typical, hey, this is what it sounds like, so I'm gonna start hitting all the keys in different areas. The setups and all that. I mean, this is the 96 is the Halo 96 is stock. I didn't do anything to it. I was gonna change the keycaps, but I'm starting to really like these. They're like a cross between SA and XDA, in my opinion. I've used both. I've used OEM. I've used the Mac or Apple keyboards. Yeah, I should probably look here, not over there. Anyways, that's just an editing note for myself. Other than that, yep, let's get into it. And there I go, starting and stopping the stream, or the recording rather. This isn't a stream, not this time. Anyways, hope you enjoyed it. I hope it, shed some light on what it sounds like. Again, like, it all depends on your room. It depends on your desk. If you have a hollow desk and you're like jamming away, it's gonna be loud. However, like, I got a butcher block desk here, so it's not hollow. Sound doesn't reverberate as a result. I also have two desk mats. I have a leather one, or pleather one, and then one of those typical, like, mouse pad material with a rubber bottom stacked on top. This room is fairly empty, so there's no acoustic treatment in here. Audio engineer, right? But then, like, no acoustic treatment. It's not the best. But yeah, just to give context, right? It's an empty room. If you work in an office with wood floors or tile, you're gonna have more reverberation than if you had carpet, let's say. If I had pictures and shit on the wall, or whatever, plants, things to break up the sound, it would echo less and all that, or reverberate less. But yeah, it's pretty cool. And like I said, if you are interested in the Nuphy keyboards, I have an affiliate link. Again, it's at the bottom. First affiliate link I've ever had. So yeah, that's one way to support the channel, I guess, right? But yeah, pretty cool. I like it. That's just my opinion. Again, not getting paid for this. Haven't been paid for pretty much anything in my adventures here on the YouTubes. I don't know. It's not important. Like, I do this for fun. Anyways, I don't have a catchphrase other than I say too much, or yeah. I don't know. See ya.